Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're here in St. Petersburg, and today we're going to be exploring the St. Pete Ice Cream Festival. It's going to be so much fun. We're going to try all the ice creams, so make sure you stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, like Louis said, we are here in St. Pete's. This is the third annual Ice Cream Fest. So, it's over on Spa Beach, which I think is down the pier and to the left.
Yeah, just halfway down the pier here.
Perfect. So
the St. Petersburg Pier.
Alright, cool.
Which we did a whole other video reviewing once before. We'll link that in the description down below, because St. Pete Pier is like a great place to come and hang out if you're in St. Petersburg.
Super cool place. So we're gonna walk through the market and then we're gonna hop over and get some ice cream. So hang out with us and let's see what we can see. Let's go.
Sorry, dogs don't like.
That's funny. Hi guys, so for some wayfinding here, unfortunately that tree is in the way, but that is where we came in at. We walked up the marketplace. We're gonna pan over to the right. That is the children's play place, and then right through there, through that little walk path, that is where the ice cream fest is. And that's where we're gonna go. All right guys, we've made it. We're in the thick of it.
So we've made it here to Spa Beach, which is on the St. Pete Pier. There's a ton of vendors here. As you say 25 or 30, I think there's way more than that. Lots of food trucks, and not just ice cream, but all kinds of other stuff. Also some arts and crafts. So yeah, I think we're gonna have to take a lap around and see what kind of ice creams they got, try to figure out what the best ice cream is gonna be. Because unfortunately, I don't think we're gonna be able to get little samples. We're probably gonna be stuck with a full size.
Full services, yeah, full size
and
services.
I only really want to eat like one ice cream. I don't want to eat all the ice cream.
It's too hot today.
But then yeah, we'll get some ice cream, and it's lunchtime too. It's past lunchtime, so we'll have to get some food too. I saw an empanada place. I always like empanadas. We'll see.
We'll see. So we have the nitrogen ice cream. Maybe we'll try this one. So what do you know about nitrogen ice cream, honey?
Well, they make it with nitrogen. You can see them doing it right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it looks like they're putting the ice cream in there with liquid nitrogen and making it super hard and brittle, I guess.
Yeah.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So they said you can get just the regular ice cream that's chilled in liquid nitrogen that they made fresh today, or you can do the dragon's breath, which are like little ones that you pop in your mouth and then it shoot out the.
Watch out for the dog behind you.
You shoot out like a breath of smoke.
Okay. Can I get the vanilla with the Oreos, please?
Yeah. All right, so you get your liquid nitrogen cooled ice cream, huh?
Yeah. So they're telling us they're the only ones who make fresh ice cream here. So we'll see.
So it's like a giant Dippin' Dot.
Yeah. It's actually pretty good.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, very vanilla-y.
Do you think the liquid nitrogen adds anything to it, or is it more gimmicky?
I don't know. I think it's something cool to watch. Yeah, we could go. This was like $9.90 plus tip.
That's pricey. It was essentially a single scoop.
Yeah.
I know liquid nitrogen is pretty pricey. Oh, you dripped.
I didn't get it on you. Stop bebopping.
It's good. Honestly, I think it could be a bit creamier. It's a little on the watery side for me. And yeah, I think that in my personal opinion, I think the whole liquid nitrogen thing is kind of gimmicky. Yeah, I think you paid a lot of money. Liquid nitrogen is not cheap, right? So that's
It's science.
It is. It's used in science. The fact that you use it to cool your ice cream does not make it science.
Science.
But we're gonna search on, see if we can find any more ice creams.
Let's go.
Well, I do see that they have Thai coconut ice cream. I'm not a big fan of coconut, but that's an option. All right, so now we have hit the ice cream row. Quite a few more ice cream trucks. But of course, we're on the search for the best ice cream, so let's see if we can find it. All right, and these Kudu, I don't know, Hawaiian honeycombs. These Hawaiian honeycombs definitely seem to be very popular here. So these are some sort of like, I don't know, some sort of new twist on the cone. They're like a J shape. I don't even know what they're made out of, some sort of batter, and then filled with Dole Whip. So it sounds like that's right up Christine's alley, so she's already gotten in line.
So allegedly, this is the second best thing you'll ever eat. I wonder what's the first best thing you'll ever eat. Let us know in the comments down below what you think the first thing is. But remember y'all, this is a PG channel, so make good choices.
So here's a look at the menu. So you get the Hawaiian honeycomb, cinnamon honeycomb, or you can get it by the cup, and there's the flavors. $9.30 plus tax. So you got your cone.
I did.
So you got the, which one is this?
The Hawaiian honey with Dole Whip.
Okay, and it's J-shaped. And we're gonna give that a shot, huh? Before it melts.
Well, Dole Whip is good. It's not really melting.
Okay.
Very cold. Honestly, I think I like this better than the regular cones.
All right, so we'll give it a shot here. Dole Whip's good.
Yeah. I don't know why you hate on Dole Whip. It's like the best thing.
This may be better Dole Whip than.
Don't say sacrilege. Yeah.
I think the honeycomb thing's a bit much, but I do like the Dole Whip.
Hater.
Directly behind me is Mayday ice cream. That is a Tampa staple. I don't know if they have those anywhere else, but I've only seen them in downtown Tampa. But they are really good ice cream too. But since I've already had Mayday and I know what it's like, it's not going to be the one that we get today. And like I said, while it is good ice cream, I know it's not the best. There is another ice cream place.
Chill Bros.
Chill Bros.
In Ybor City.
Yeah, not far from Mayday in Ybor City. And that happens to be my favorite Tampa-based ice cream. They got a Tampa banana ice cream there. Very good. So the quest continues. So I am a sucker for milkshakes. This seems to be the only milkshake dedicated stand here. So this is one I'm going to give it a shot. They have a s'mores milkshake. And
oh my goodness.
Who doesn't love s'mores? In milkshake form? I don't know. It's maybe the winner.
Okay.
I heart milkshake. And here is the menu. So $8 for a small, $10 for a large. You know, that cone thing, it does kind of taste like cereal.
Yeah.
Like maybe Honeycrisp or something?
Yeah.
So that is the s'mores milkshake. You can see it's vanilla ice cream. There's bits of marshmallow and graham cracker, Hershey's syrup. Can't ever go wrong with Hershey's syrup. Christine would disagree, but she's wrong, so. Pretty good.
Yeah.
I would argue best so far.
All right.
Now, is it the best ice cream I've ever had? Probably not. I'd still probably give it an 8 out of 10. But it's the best ice cream we found here, and we can't eat all the ice cream. That would make us have a tummy ache.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna wrap this up, and then I think we're gonna grab something to eat before we head on out.
Yeah, some like legit food.
Yeah, and of course Ben & Jerry's is here, which is delicious ice cream, amongst the best, but it's a big chain, right? So don't come to a place like this and eat Ben & Jerry's. You gotta try something more local. Astro ice cream over there, I've heard of before. Again, I think that may be a local one. I'm not entirely sure. Kind of surprised that Hampton Ice Cream Factory's not, or Hampton Chocolate Factory's not here. Yeah, with their giant cone.
Yeah, or the Chill Bros.
Chill Bros, yeah. I do like Chill Bros.
Both true Tampa staples.
Yeah.
One downtown in Sparkmansworth and the other in Ybor City. So we are correct. They are located in Armature Works on the river.
Yeah, and we have had them before. They are really good too.
They're really good, yeah.
On further inspection, there's not a ton of like actual real food to eat here. There's typical hot dogs, hamburgers. We've had those before.
Yeah.
There's empanadas, which I was super excited about, but then come to find out they're $9 a piece.
Woo!
I'm not spending $9 a piece on an empanada. I mean, unless it's like the size of a football. No empanadas today.
Oh well.
I think we're gonna head on out, get something to eat along the way because we got other things to do today.
Yeah.
But that was the St. Pete Ice Cream Festival. Hope you had a good time. I know we did. We tried lots of different ice creams. So, somewhat ice cream connoisseurs. Now, tried 3 and then we knew about like at least 3 others. So.
Yeah. All right, y'all. That's where our time here at the good old ice cream fest here in St. Pete's. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Let us know down below what your favorite ice cream is, and maybe we'll try to come back again next year and compare again. So with that being said, here is this guy with the pro tips.
All right, guys. So here are your pro tips for visiting the St. Pete Ice Cream Festival. I would say number 1 is it is hot out here, so make sure that you bring some water. Bring your own water. Help you stay hydrated. Water inside is they're going to charge you $3-4 a bottle. And also, while the ice cream is good at helping you cool down, it's not going to be good at hydrating you, so you definitely need some water. Pro tip number 2 is I would say if you can, definitely bring some shade. An umbrella would have been great. They do have little shade huts there, but everybody's kind of crowded around and there's no airflow, so they're just like little hot boxes. Bring your own umbrella, which we didn't, but that would have definitely helped stay cool. And pro tip number 3 is if you're unsure about where this is, as we mentioned, it's halfway down the St. Pete Pier here. There's a little beach off to the left. So it is a bit of a walk, particularly if you have to park in one of the parking garages in downtown St. Petersburg. But they do have a trolley car that runs up and down the St. Pete Pier, even when this festival is not going on. So there is a free trolley car that you can ride if you have mobility issues or if walking that distance is too much for you. So that's going to do it for us today, guys. Remember, hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Really help us out. And with that being said, we're out of here, and we'll see you next weekend.
Bye.
Hey, look, jet skis.
Oh, look at that. So, getting shot killed.
All right, so on
Hang on.
further, on further inspections, there's not a,
No. So it says it's the second best thing to put in your mouth. What's the first best thing to put in your mouth?
yeah. Just pausing for.
Yeah, I know.
Then we got any pro tips?
Yeah. You're recording again, that's fine.
I don't know how that keeps happening.
Filming here, bro.